Dung Beetle Rolling Dung Poem. I am a dung beetle of the first degree. I stand on my very first rung on the journey of life. As you may well see, it has only just begun. To eat my sort of dinner is not something you may do, for I am called a coprophage. I eat other animals' poo. Out with my friend, all was tickety-boo, when our eyes opened wide with surprise. An enormous lump of elephant poo lay right before our eyes. We had to go as fast as we could to roll the dung into a ball, then propel our dung ball through the wood. Not an easy task at all. When at last I got it home, I look about, then all alone I lay a little lava deep inside, and then I wait, and here I hide until my baby dung beetle, it does hatch out. I can hear it laugh and shout. There's loads